Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. If we grow any plant in a glass containers, so it is not only stylish but is also simple to grow. Today I will tell you some basic care of these water plants. Water plants are a beautiful addition to improve the interior design of your home and are a symbol of peace, stability and growth. Water plants give a splash of color and a charm to the previous boring area. Growing houseplants in water is an excellent hobby for a beginner, those with a limited amount of space or intolerance to filthy dirt, and those who have trouble watering their plants. Time to time you need to take care of every plant. Now I will tell you today how you will take care of your water plants. In a bucket with some water, my mom added 10 ml of Bioenzymes. Now immerse all the plants in this big pot. After dipping them for about 10 to 15 minutes, clean them properly. For this process, my mom has taken a very soft cloth. In this cleaning process, you need to clean your leaves, roots and any stems properly, and if there are any dry leaves, then you must remove them. And if you wish to this time, you can also trim some roots, but be careful not to hurt the plant. Where can you grow your indoor plant? Practically, any container that can hold water can be used to grow as an indoor water garden plant. Once you have chosen the right container, you can fill 3/4 with gravel, pearl fragments, pebbles, sand, marbles, beads, etc. But if you keep it simple, it will be better. Here you can notice that the money plant's leaf tip is brown. My mom will remove that. Now you all must have having some trouble with water plants, so I will tell you 4 ways to be successful with your water plants. First of all, you need to choose the correct plant that can be grown in water. Depending on the type of plant, a fresh stem or a fresh leaf cutting is the best way to begin. Put the leaf or the stem in some clean water. You can use boiled water, rainwater or chlorinated tap water. After that, you can place the container in a location with good indirect light. And you must change your water twice a week or once a week. And if you can, you must clean your plants like this monthly. Now, what are the top 5 advantages of growing water plants? First of all, there is no mess in the house. Second of all, less attention is needed and there are lesser pests, of course. Fourth, it increases the number of plants you have inside by growing them in water, and of course it offers beautiful displays. Oh, and as you are cleaning the plant monthly, make sure to clean the container once also. You can clean it with soap water or bioenzyme solution. After cleaning them nicely, make sure to put them in some direct sunlight. Now, what are such plants that can thrive in water? We have got spider plant, lucky bamboo, coleus, philodendron, ivy and golden pothos, which is also known as money plant. There is wandering Jew's rubber plant, alocasia and arrowhead plant. There is peace lily and my mom has also kept jade plant. Now I will tell you 3 inventive container designs for indoor water plant cultivation. We have vases, test tubes and jars. We can grow these in places where there is extreme climates outside or there is lack of space. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.